Betty, are you ready? Let's get into it. It's been a long week of meetings, videos. It's just been a long week. So, okay. So we're back once again. This is day 5. We're at the end. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed the t-shirts slash Lippie challenge. So, I mean, this is my, I'm gonna say my plain J.A., my plain day and carry on. Okay, my plain day. So today's shirt is, look at that. Today's shirt, it is Women Hustle Harder. So what do you think? What do you think? Do y'all think women hustle harder? I mean, in my opinion, I'm going to say, like, women do hustle a little harder than men, even though men are considered the breadwinner. If you're in, a relationship, you live together and everything. First, let me put that out there. Let me put that out there. If you're living together or married or what have you. I mean, if you're just a couple, not one living over here, one living over there. Because, you can't hustle hard if you're over here and one's over there. And then you come to me in the middle. I mean, that's my opinion. But for me, I do think women hustle hard. They're more, quicker thinkers and things. They're quick to jump on something or do something that's, more or less going to make a profit, than a man. Men get there, I don't know. I'm going to say you form a career and that's your career. That's what you're going to do, until it's time to retire and carry on. Well, women have a lot of careers as well, highly educated, just like the educated black man. But I don't know, for some reason, you always got that hustle on the side. You always got that hustle. You're doing something because us women, women stuff is on sale. Women come out with, more products than men have anyway. Okay? I mean, if you just sit down and think about it. If you just look at the stuff that you have and at the stuff that your spouse has, you seem to have more items than he does. Things are on sale more than his stuff is and carry on. I mean, because we can get out here and find a good old sale. We can find the highest thing at the cheapest price. So, I mean, seriously, I feel to believe women hustle harder. I know I'm not going to say hustle, but I'm just going to say, my grandmother used to always say, find your niche, and stick with it. You could always make money. No matter what happens, you could always make money. You have that skill, that trade. You can make money. You can make money out of the things that you love. Because I know right now in this pandemic, trust me, I've gotten to learn quite a bit of information or things about people, that I have known for quite some time, people I have known for years, the things that you love to do, now it's a business. You have people that have set out and formed businesses, people who have businesses already. You've added to your business, the latest thing popping or what have you. Because I mean, I myself have, I've done that as well and stuff. If there's something I can make, trust me, I will make it. There's something I can replicate, I will replicate it. Okay? Just like everybody else out here. So, I mean, what does women hustle harder? Good. What does it mean to you? What does it mean to you? I mean, let me know. Let me know. Because, I mean, you've heard my explanation of it. It's just my opinion. It's not everybody else's opinion. That's my opinion. Okay? So, let's get on to the Lippie of the day. Okay? So, here it goes. So, the Lippie of the day, this is by, who is this by? That is so terrible. I put on people lipstick and I have to go back and look. Well, this one is by Broadway. It's by Broadway. It's the True Matte. And the color for the day is called Happy Hour. It's called Happy Hour. It's like, a kind of brownish type, go to when, I'm going to say it depends on what color hair you're wearing for me. Because of course I don't exactly take and put my lipstick on to match all of my hair when I do draw on my units and stuff. Sometimes that's my go-to, the browns or the tans, something just solid. Okay? So, with that being said, this is the end. I had fun. I hope you did too. Give me a thumbs up. Leave me any comments. Press that subscribe button. And of course, don't forget to ring that bell so you won't miss another video. Mwah. Bye, everyone. It was fun.